Hello everybody and welcome to ZXS Studios. So today's video is going to be about how to define variables in VB.NET, and I'll do a simple example of how to use a variable. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so defining a variable is very easy. dim. This is the syntax of defining a variable. You need to write this in before every variable you define. Okay, dim name, and then here you can do one thing. You can initialize this variable. Initializing is very simple. You're assigning the first value to a variable by yourselves. Okay, you're not taking any input, you're just initializing, okay, giving a value that you want to the variable that you have defined. Okay, so that is done as follows: equals the two quotation marks, okay, equals the two quotation marks, and between it you write whatever you want it to store. Well, I want it to store anything. Hello world cannot be a name of a person. Well, let's say Johnson. Okay, hello Johnson. Dim name equals Johnson. Okay, and now we're done with defining a variable. We have written this dim. Tell the computer we are defining a variable. We have defined the variable name. Okay, and this equals this quotation marks. We have assigned it a value, Johnson. Okay, so name currently will store the first value that will go into name will be Johnson. Okay, because we have initialized it with Johnson. Okay, so let's do this. Console.WriteLine. Console.WriteLine, and between these, as you know from the previous videos, and between these quotation marks you need to write anything that you want. Okay, how are you, and okay, don't get confused, it is very easy. I'm just making a simple concept of yours so that you can score good in exams and stuff. Okay, and name. Okay, it's not very difficult. You need not to be confused by what is written it is written. Okay, you just have to focus what I'm telling. Okay, so console.WriteLine, how are you? This is permanent. This will be displayed every time, but this bracket, these curly brackets, and these curly brackets, this thing here tells the computer, oh wait, it's not a permanent thing. We have a variable that we need to store the value. We need to display the value of here. Here at this point, it will display the value of a variable, and after that, we put a comma here, and we tell the name of the variable that whose value is going to come here in the place of these brackets and 0. Okay, so console.read key as before, and we're done. Let's run this. How are you, Johnson? It is exactly what we wanted it to do. How are you? And then it has displayed the word Johnson. Okay, because we told it here that wait, we want to display the content of a variable. So, and it asked us which variable. So we told us here, the variable name. So it went there to get the content and display it here. This is exactly what's happening. And console read key, I already told you in the previous videos that this is just this is just to make the program stop after running all these commands and not go in a fraction of a second. Okay, hopefully you get it. This is all about this video. Take good care of yourselves. Bye bye.